Hi, I'm Chris Miller with Solid Blend. I'm an emergency response case manager. I just want to take a minute, go over our Santa Kill systems, monochloramine generation systems that we use to help mobily many different hospitals and nursing homes in the Ohio area. I'm going to show you a little bit about those. This is a Santa Kill Light monochloramine generation system that we use here at Solid Blend Technologies for safeguarding water that's been exposed to Legionella bacteria. The way this works is we use two pretty special chemicals to inject directly into water systems as it passes by from the main water. It's injected into all potable systems that go out to the building. Monochloramine's been shown to not only decrease Legionella, but break down biofilm that causes much of Legionella disease. Just kind of a little snippet on how we do things.